Hello, welcome to our channel. It's very happy to see you again at our channel, right? I'm Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialize in the common rail inject. And each week we will have different videos and live show on the Facebook and the YouTube account. If you like my videos, if you like our product, remember to follow at our channel. Okay, today I want to share you some of our product. This is our control valve. Yes, look at it here. Yes, and then I will check the details for our product. Let's see more details. As you can see, this is our packaging bags, right? We package it with the VCI anti-rust bags, and for our packaging bag, it's really environmental friendly. And let's check the inside. Let's check this part of our packaging bags. As you can see, on these bags, we print with the label on this part. The first one is our Shumatt logos. Actually, if you want to print your own logos, yes, you can contact us. Because we Shumatt, we supply the customized services. Like we can help you to design this kind of packaging bags. We can print your logo and your labels. Yes, any demands and needs, please remember to contact us. Yes, we Shumatt, we will try our best to meet the customer's demands. Okay, on this part is the model numbers. F00RJ00375 common rail valve. Yes, on this line is application injective numbers 0445120006. Okay, on this part is our QR code, and on the labels you can see we have other informations on the labels. Okay, let's open it to check the inside of our control valve. Yep, as you can see, we package it with, in the inside, we also package it with the plastic bottles. Yes, so you don't need to worry about any rust or any hurt. It can be better protect our product. Yeah, in the inside part, we package with oil papers. Wow, as you can see, this is our product, right? Okay, let's check the details. This is the whole side of our valve assembly, and actually, we not only seal the whole side, we also seal the separate parts. This is a valve cap. This is valve rods. Let's check more details for our valve cap. Our valve cap, you can see we have the coating on the valve cap. Also in this part, they have some numbers. They print with some numbers on this part. This is valve rods. For valve rod, we have different size and different lengths. If you have the demands, like if you want the other size, if you want customize the size, the length, yes, you can contact us, because we Shumatt, we supply the customized services for our product. Actually, each of our product items, before we seal it, we will test it many times. Yes. Don't worry about our product qualities. Actually, as you can see, we have many kinds of product in our channel, right? And if you are not familiar with our product, you can send us the product numbers. We can help you to check it. Also, you can download the app. About our product warranties, I want to share with you about our warranty time. We have the 6 months warranty time. During this time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us. We can exchange the product for you. Yes, except that we also supply the injector, the nozzle, repair kit, the pumps. The parts for the pumps, including the valve assembly, we are showing today. Yes, any items, if you are interested, remember to follow us at the YouTube and the Facebook account, and feel free to contact us. Okay, actually, each week we have different videos in the Facebook and the YouTube account. If you like my videos, if you like our product, feel free to contact us. Remember to follow us. Thank you. And thank you for your watching. So much for today's introductions. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.